Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, in the previous classes we have discussed the multiplications of decimal numbers. So today we are going to discuss the divisions of decimal numbers. How to divide the decimal number by a whole number, decimal number by a decimal number, and decimal number by a 10, 100, 1000 and etc. So let's find out that this is the divisions. First one, divisions of a decimal number by a whole number. How to divide the decimal number by a whole number. So for example, I will take the 25.5 divided by 3. See, so 25.5 is one of the decimal number and 3 is the whole number. So how to multiply in the multiplications of the decimal number, like that only, but little bit procedures are same. See, in that multiplication we cannot consider the division symbol, point symbol, correct? We cannot consider as a point. As usual, how to divide the number system in a whole number or natural number, like that only how to divide it. See, first of all, 25 to 55, all right, leave it the point. So now I have to divide from 3, 8s are 24, so what is the remaining here? 1, 5 minus of 4 is 1, 2 minus of 2 0, what is the remaining here? 5, it become 15. So next again, 3 how many is a 15? 3, 5 is a 15, so 0. Therefore, see here 85 will come. So 85 means, see point after how many digit is there? 1 digit. That's why 1 digit you have to leave it. So put point here. So it become 8.5. So 8.5 is the answer. Are you understood? So one more example I will take now. So 135.25. 135.25 divided by 5. Same 13525. So leave the point. As usual, how to divide in the number system, like that only how to divide it. So 5 is a 1 digit. So if you are considering 1 digit, it cannot possible. You can take 2 digit. So it becomes 13. 5 1 is a 5 2s are 10. What is the remaining here? 3. So next digit is 5. It becomes 35. So 5 7s are 35. Easily have to divide it. It becomes 0. So what is the next digit is 2. So 2 is not going from 5. Therefore 2 zeros are 0. Therefore 2 minus of 0 is 2. The next digit is 5. It becomes 25. So 5 how many is 25? 5 5 is 25. It becomes 0. Therefore point after how many digit is there? 2 digit. That's why we have to leave the 2 digit from the right side. Therefore what is the answer? 27.07. I understood. So like this, I will take the third one. So 126.35 divided by 7. 126.35 divided by 7. Yes friends, here 126.35 have to write in the divisor and have to divide from there. So sorry, first of all I have to leave the point. So 12635. So 7 1s are 7. So what is the remaining here? 5. Next digit is 6. 7 how many is up? 7 8s are 56. 0. What is the next digit here? 3. 3 is not possible. That's why zeros are 0. 7 zeros are 0. So it becomes 3. So what is the next digit here? 5. It becomes 35. 7 5s are 35. 0. So now after that, point after how many digit is there? 2 digit. That's why we have to leave the 2 digit from the right side. Therefore 18.05. 18.05 is the answer. You understood? So like this, you have to divide the whole number by a, decimal number by a whole number. Are you understood? Decimal number by a whole number. Next student, divisions of decimal number by a decimal number. How to divide the decimal number by a decimal number? See, I will take one of the example. So 22.5 divided by 0.5. Here students, 22.5 is a decimal number and 0.5 is also a decimal number. Both are decimal number. How to divide the decimal number by decimal number? So is it very simple students? See, 22.5 divided by 0.5 can be written as, in the fraction form I will write 22.5 divided by 0.5, p by q form I will write. Now the denominator we have to convert into the whole number. How to convert the decimal number by a whole number? By the multiplications of 10, 100, 1000, etc. If you are multiplied by 10, 100,000, automatically the decimal number it becomes a whole number. See, here 0.5 is there. So which number we have to take? Which number you have to multiply by? If you are multiplied by 10, 100 or 1000, anyone you have to take it. So first, how many digits are there? Point after how many digits are there? One digit. That's why we have to multiply by 10. Point after, if it is a 2 digit, we have to multiply by 100. After point after 3 digit is there, means you have to multiply by 1000, etc. So if you are multiplied by 10 to the denominator, and also we have to multiply by numerator is also must be multiplied. Will denominator ಎಷ್ಟನ್ನ multiply ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ numerator ಅಷ್ಟರಿಂದನೇ multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು compulsory. So we know that how multiplications by 10, 100,000 etc. If you are multiplied by 10, 100,000 etc., the point is shifted to the right side. So how many digits it is shifted? So number of 0. How many number of zeros are there? No, that much digit you have to shift it. See how many digits are there? 0 is there. Only one 0 is there. That's why we have to put the point is shifted to one digit of the right side. Okay. Now it become how much become 225. Point here it will come. It will never. You don't want to put the point here. It is understood. So 0 point it become 5. Now 225 divided by 5. So now easily you have to divide it. 5 ones are 5. 5 fours are 20. Is it right? 5 fours are 20. What is the remaining here? So 2 is remaining. Is it right? 20 means 25 is become. So 5 ones are 5. 5s are 25. It becomes 45 is the answer. Are you understood? Very simple. So otherwise you have to divide like this also. 5 fours are 20. Remaining is 2. 25 is become 5 5s are 25. 0. So the answer is become 45. Okay. Next students, one more example we'll take now. 20.55 divided by 1.5. 20.55 divided by 1.5. Okay. So now students, 20.55 divided by 1.5 can be written as the form of p by q. Now we have to multiply by 10 by 10 because of the point after how many digits in the denominator only you have to consider this. You need not to consider the numerator. Numerator whole number convert ಆದರೂ ಆಗಬಹುದು ಆಗದೇನೂ ಇರಬಹುದು, no problem. But the denominator must be have to convert it to the whole number. That's why we have to multiply by 10. Now the point is shifted to the one side of the digit, one digit. It will come in between 5 and 5. Here the point is goes to the after 5. It becomes 25, 205.5 it become. Point is come to here. So now the point is shifted to right side. It becomes 15.0 is nothing but 15. Now we have to divide the 205 divided by 5 divided by 15. So 205.5 divided by 15. So 15 ones are 15. Now 5 here 0. Next digit is 555. 15 3s are 45. So remaining is 0 is 1 10 it become. So next digit is 5. So 105. 15 7s are 105. It becomes 0. So point after how many digits are there? One digit is there. That's why one digit you have to leave the point. So next 13.7 is the final answer. Are you understood? So like this you have to find the decimal number by a decimal number. One more example I will take now. What is that? 42.8 divided by 0.02 is there. Okay. In that same procedure, 42.8 by 0.02. So you have to multiply by 10, 100, 1000 etc. Anyone you have to multiply that. So point after how many digits is there? 2 digits. That's why we have to multiply by 100. Here also 100. So now the point is shifted to 2 digits because of 2 0 are there. But here only 1 digit is there. That's why I put 1 0. The point is shifted to 80 after. Therefore 4280 it becomes. Now the point is shifted to the 2. 0 point. The point is shifted to 2 after. 002 means what? 2. Therefore here only you have to divide it. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 and 0. Therefore 2140 for answer. Are you understood? So like this you have to divide the decimal number by a decimal number. Are you understood students? Yes. Now The next one, divisions of a decimal number by a 10, 100, 1000, etc. So in a multiplication, decimal number by a divisions multiplications of a decimal number by a 10, 100, 1000 means the point is shifted to the right side of the number, correct? But in a division, same, the point is not shifted to right side, the shift to the left side, backward directions it is shifting. Yes, I will take one more example. 35.2 divided by 10 is there. 35.2 divided by 10. Is it right? It is the, here, this, how many digits are there? How many zero are there? Only one zero. That's why the point is shifted to left side. So in a multiplication, the point is shifted to the right side. In a division, the point is shifted to left side. Ulta. So how many digit is shifting? Only one digit, because of how many zero are there in a 10. Therefore only one zero. That's why the point is shifted to one digit of the left side of the number. The point is come to the 3 and in between 3 and 5. Therefore 3, 5, 2 have to write as it is. Now point is come under the in between 3 and 5. There is 3 and 5 here. So it becomes 3.52 is the answer. Are you understood? So I will take one more example. 72.63 divided by 2.63 divided by 10. That much only I have to take. See what will become. So 263 as it is right now. 263. The point is shifted to left side because of only one zero. That's why the point is goes to before of the 2. So nothing is there, means what is there here? 0. So the answer becomes 0.263. So I will take one more example. 0.003 divided by 10. It is equal to, again the point is shifted to the left side. This 0, 0, 3. So point come here. Therefore nothing is there, means 0. Now the answer becomes 0.0003 is the answer. Okay. Next one, 25.36 divided by 100. So in a 100, how to divide from 100? Say very simple. Here only one digit, 10 is there. That's why I will shift to only one digit. But here how many zero are there? 2 zero are there. That's why I will shift to 2 digit of the decimal number to the left side of the decimal number or backward of the decimal number. See, the point is come to the 2536 as it is right now. 2536 as it is right now. Now we have to put the point. This only have to put the point. The point is come to the before of the 2. Before of the 2 means here. So nothing is there, means 2. 0 is there. Therefore 0.2536. So one more example. 278.6 divided by 100. So very simple students, the point is shifted to the 2 digit. Therefore first you have to write 278 and 6 as it is right now. The point is come to the in between 2 and 7. Where it is in 2 and 7? Here. So therefore answer is become 2.786. So next one, 3.6 divided by 1000. So what happened? Here how many zero are there? 3 0. That's why you have to shift the 3 digit of the number. So but here only one digit are there. How many remaining digit we needed? So remaining 2 digit we needed. That's why we can put 2 zeros in before of the number. So the point is shifted to here. Therefore 0036. You have to write 0036 as it is right now. The point is come to here. Therefore 0.0036 is the final answer. So one more example. 739.8 divided by 1000. Here how many zero are there? 3 0. The point is shifted to 3 digit before of the number, left side of the number. But already here 3 digit already is there. You need not to put 0. When the digit are not required, that time you have to put the 0. So but here already is there. That's why the point is shifted to the left side of the number. How many digit? 3 digit. So remaining here 7, 3, 9 as it is right now. 7, 3, 9 and 8. The point is come to the 7 before. That's why I will put here. So nothing is there, means 0. 0.7398. Are you understood? So like this we have to divide from the 10, 100, 1000 and etc. So this is very simple. 10, 100,000 and 10,000 lakh. How many zero are in the required number? That much digit you have to shift to the left side of the decimal numbers. Okay. So like this, you have to divide the decimal number by a whole number, decimal number by a decimal number, and decimal number by a 10, 100,000 and etc. So shall we go to the directly exercise 2.7 is there. So among these examples, what I am showing these examples in this way, like that only is there. You have to solve in your own. Some example I will show now. See 2.7 in the first one. Find 0.4 divided by 2. See student, 0.4 divided by 2. Very simple. So 0 4 have to write it. Leave the point. So what is the remaining here? I have to divide from 2. 2 2s are 4. 0. See after how many digits is there? Only one digit is there. That's why I have to put 0 point. Nothing is there means 0. Therefore, the answer is become 0.2. Do you understood? So next one, 3.96. Second one, 3.96 divided by 4. 3.96 divided by 4. Leave the point. You don't consider the point. So 4. You have to consider 3 and 9. How much will become? 39. 4 how many is are? 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. So remain here 3. So it will become 6. Again 4 9s are 36. 0. So point after how many digits are there? 2 digits. That's why we have to put the 2 digits from the right side of the number. Nothing is there means 0. Therefore 0.99 is the answer. Are you understood? So remaining questions in this way is there. You have to solve in your own. Okay. So I will go to the second main. 4.8 divided by 10. So divisions by a decimal number by a 10. So in the second main, divisions of a decimal number by a 10. Okay. So 4.8. First one, 4.8 divided by 10 is there. Very simple. Now only I will show. So 4 and 8 as it is written down. How many 0 are in the 10? Only 1 0. That's why you have to shift the one digit of the number. Therefore, the point is come to the before of the 4. That's why nothing is there means 0. The answer is become 0.48. So second one, 272.23. 272.23 divided by 10. 272.23 divided by 10. Again, so only one digit is there. That's 1 0 is there. That's why you have to shift to one digit only. 27.2. Then 23 as it is written. The answer is become 27.223. Are you understood? The remaining questions is there in your textbook. You have to solve in your home. The third one, 2.7 divided by 10. Third one, first one, second one. So what is that? 2.7 divided by 10. 2.7 divided by 100. So here, how many 0 are there? 2 0. That's why 2 digit you have to shift to the left side of the number. But here only one digit is there. That's why you have to put the 1 0. The point is goes to 0 2 before of the 0 2. Therefore 0 2 7. Nothing is there means here point is there. Therefore 0.027 is the answer. So next one, 98.53 divided by 100. 98. What is the question number? Sixth one, 98.53 divided by 100. Is it right? 98.53 divided by 100. So now very simple students. The point is shifted to 2 digit of the number. Here only already 2 digit is there. The point is goes to the before of the 9. Therefore 0.9853. Okay, the point here come. Nothing is there means 0 is there. The answer is become 0.9853. So next students, in the remaining questions is there in the third one. You have to solve in your home, in your textbook. Okay. So I will go to the fourth main. What is the fourth question? Find 7.9 divided by 1000. Here you have to divide from the 1000. 7.9 divided by 1000. 7.9 divided by 1000. But here students, so what is the question number here? 1. See here students, point, how many 0 are there? 3 0, but here only one digit is there. That's why we have to put remaining 2 digit. We need it. That's why we have to put 2 0. The point is shifted to 3 digit before of the 3 digit. Okay. So 0079. So the point is come to here. Okay. Nothing is there means here 0. The answer is become 0.0079. Okay, like that. So next one, 0.5 divided by 1000. What is the question number here? Fifth one, 0.5 0.5 divided by 1000. So here also how many 0 are there? 3 0, but here only one digit is there. That's why the point is shifted to the 3 digit. But how many digits we needed? 2 digits we needed. That's why 3 digit after. So before of the 3 digit you have to shift the digit. So it becomes 0005. Here put the point. Now 0.005 is the answer. Are you understood? So like this is there in the fourth main. Remaining questions is there in your textbook. You have to solve in at home. The last main, fifth main, and sixth main is also is there. The word problems is there. You have to solve in your home. Very simple are there. See 30.94. I show you the fourth question. 30.94 divided by 0.7. 30.94 divided by 0.7. Okay, students? Yes. Very simple. 30.94 divided by 0.7. Write in the P by Q form or fraction form. So the number you have to 0.7 is there. This 0.7 we have to convert it into whole number. So we have to multiply by 10. This is also we have to multiply by 10. Now the point is shifted to the right side. Here also the point is shifted to the right side. How many digits? Only one digit. Therefore 309.4 whole upon 0.7 is nothing but 7. So now we have to divide 309.4. We have to divide it from 7. 7 4s are 28. So remaining is 2. 29 is become. Again 7 4s are 28. Is it right? So remaining is 1. So what is the next digit? Here the 9. Here the next digit is 4. 7 2s are 14. So remainder is 0. Okay. Now point after how many digit is there here? One digit. That's why we have to leave the one digit from the right side of the number. Therefore 44.2. 44.2 is the answer. Are you understood? So next students, the eighth question I will show now. 37.8. 37.8 divided by 1.4. Same procedure. 37.8 divided by 1.4. This number we have to multiply by 10 because of only one digit is there. So therefore 378 4 upon 14. So 378 divided by 14. 14 2s are 28. 14 2s are 28. If you are taking the 3s are 14 3s are 42 is become 42 is greater than 37. That's why 14 2s are 28. 7 minus of 8 is not possible. 17 minus of 8 is 9. Correct? 17 minus of 8 is 9. 9 plus 8 17. Next this is 2. 2 minus of 2 0. Next student remaining is what is there? 8 as it is right down. 14 7s are 98. See, then there is no any point is there. Therefore the answer will become 27. That's it. Are you understood? So like this, the fifth main, decimal number by a decimal number. How to divide the decimal number by a decimal number? That concept is there in the fifth main. Remaining questions are there. 5 or 6 questions are there remaining. You have to solve in your home. And sixth main is also there. There is word problems. You have to solve in your home. Okay, students? Yes. This chapter will be completed towards up to 2.7 will be completed. Decimals numbers and the fractions. Decimals and fractions will be completed. In the next classes, students, we have to discuss the new lessons. Okay. Thank you.